भद्राद्री कोत्तागुड़म जिले के हेमाचंद्रापुरम में डिस्ट्रिक्ट आर्म पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर्स में आज यौम शहीदान पुलिस के मौके पर एक तकरीब मुनक्किद की गई। इस मौके पर AR एडिशनल SP D श्रीनिवास राव की ज़ेर निगरानी स्मृति परेड का इनेकाद अमल में आया। इस परेड में जिला SP IPS सुनील दत्त व दीगर पुलिस एहलकारों ने हिस्सा लिया और पुलिस शोहदा के सुतून को गुलदस्ता अकीदत पेश किया। SP IPS सुनील दत्त ने तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए बताया कि इस साल 377 पुलिस एहलकारों ने अपनी जान की कुर्बानी दी है और उनकी यह कुर्बानी रायगा नहीं जाएगी। एडिशनल SP श्रीनिवास राव ने शहीद होने वाले 377 पुलिस एहलकारों से मुताल्लिक तफसीलात बताई और शोहदाओं की याद में इस मौके पर 2 मिनट की खामोशी मनाई गई। आपको बता दें कि 21 अक्टूबर 1959 में चीनी फौजियों के हाथों शहीद होने वाले 10 हिंदुस्तानी फौजियों की कुर्बानियों की याद में पुलिस फ्लैग डे मनाया जाता है। मनगुरु ASP शबारिश, भद्राचलम ASP विनीत, ASP रोहित राजू, कोत्तागुड़म DSP G वेंकटेश्वर बाबू, एडमिन RI दामोदर, तमाम SI CIs व दीगर पुलिस एहलकारों ने इस तकरीब में हिस्सा लिया।
This is a very important day for the police forces, as all of us know that during the year 1959, while 10 brave soldiers of CRPF were patrolling the border on 21st October in the area of Aksai Chin at Hot Spring, which is situated at height of over 19,000 feet near Ladakh, the military forces of China have suddenly attacked the CRPF soldiers. In the process of retaliation, the CRPF soldiers defended themselves and passed on the information of attack by the China forces to the Indian military through a wireless message and ensured that China forces did not enter into our territory. Since the enemy forces were more in number, CRPF soldiers could not restrain and sacrifice their lives for the motherland. By the time Indian forces reached the spot and got rid of infiltrators, since then October 21st of every year is being observed as a police martyrs day. As you all know that police is not only doing not only maintaining internal law and order, tranquility, and ensuring safety and security of citizens of our motherland, we are also equally playing important role in defending the borders across the country. In our state also, you must have seen that police forces are daily doing very tough duty, whether it's on road, which is always very risky, that they can sacrifice their lives, and at the same time ensuring safety and security of the citizens, and fighting Naxalism and other forces which are hell-bent on disturbing the harmony in our our country. So today we pay tribute to all the police martyrs who lost their lives in brutal attack by anti-social elements during the period from 1/9/2020 to 31st/8/2021, and we pray for peace of their souls. Due to their sacrifices, the pride of our nation remains forever. During the current year, 377 police personals martyrs around the nation. They have sacrificed their lives while on duty to protect the unity of the nation and maintain law and order, and also ensuring that anti-social elements do not attack citizens or property. Terrorists and extremists have been regularly trying to create situation in the country to disturb the nation. The police forces and police personnel have been regularly doing the duty and ensuring that they do not succeed. We should not forget their valuable sacrifices and do not leave the path shown by them that motherland comes first, this nation comes first, and we have to ensure that at any cost we have to protect the pride of the nation and citizens' life and property of this nation, whether even if it comes at the lives of our police personals, and or each one of us is that each one of us is determined to ensure that we do not leave that path shown by these souls. To achieve the goals set by them, we should reunite ourselves for the national cause. Now, the Additional Superintendent of Police, AR, to read the names of 377 great police personals who have martyred and met with unnatural death on duty during the period from 1/9/2020 to 31/8/2021.